One of the more exciting projects is one with a large global insurance provider where we've been asked to run a project that transforms how they manage documents and information across the European businesses. And that is exciting insofar as that it's one of few that I'm aware of that actually look at this whole issue of document management and document processing in a holistic way or a unified way across the document lifecycle. The scope of it covers the incoming document flows, whether it's through the mailroom or through other document forms, the managing of the filing and the archiving, both in a physical sense and then sometimes in an electronic sense as well, right through to document processing to the point where we actually pass the information over to the business into their workflows for use on the business side. So the whole business case is built up not only in terms of the cost savings that we could bring about by consolidating and centralizing those operations within each of the countries that are in scope, but also in terms of the business efficiencies that the company themselves could bring about through receiving electronic digital information within their business workflows, whereas in the past they'd been used to receiving paper. So an example might be the claims management process, which in the past might have been entirely paper-based, whereas now that at least the document capture side has been centralized into one point, and the information then passed over to the business flows or to the workflows at an appropriate time and place, which the business can then process much more efficiently as a result of it now being automated and electronic. I've referred to this as in one or two of the examples that I mentioned already, but we were looking to take out around 30% cost savings over a period of time. We're also looking to improve the cost line on an ongoing basis, sort of on a year-on-year basis over the course of the contract. We were looking to achieve a return on investment within 18 to 24 months as well. So a number of areas that we were looking to achieve from a business case perspective. And I think from the client side themselves, they're clearly looking to achieve as much efficiency as possible out of the business end. And the whole business case was built up around both sides of the sort of table coming to the party. I think working together in the first instance, it's not something you can necessarily achieve by going off and doing it its own. It doesn't work where the client tells us go and do this project. It has to be done together. If it doesn't happen together, then it doesn't necessarily happen at all. Certainly there are benefits to them just simply outsourcing the services to us or asking us to run the services on their behalf. But we can put the platforms in and we can put sort of everything in place for them to start getting the benefits that they need to achieve out of the services. But unless they start doing it on their side as well and start using the workflows and using the information that they're getting and directing, for example, even as a start, the documents to the right point, they won't receive the benefits. So it does require a very close working together to achieve the right results. And again, I mean, I've emphasized it a few times already, but the strong leadership and sponsorship is critical to making it happen. And that means sponsorship that at times needs to bring people along with it, at other times needs to be very dictatorial and autocratic.